Welcome to Lucky English for Beginners channel. We are going to focus on a skill that connects the entire world. We are talking about English fluency, but we aren't just talking about it. We are going to actually do it with you.
That's right. We have a very specific goal today. We are going to walk you through 30 practical, actionable tips to help you speak English fluently.
30 tips. It sounds like a lot, but we will go slow.
We will. And I
Right.
want to set the tone right now. This is not a lecture.
Right.
This is not a university professor talking at you. This is a guide. We want this to be a comfortable space where you can relax and, actually learn.
We are going to be your partners in this. We have broken this deep dive down into 4 main areas to make it easy to follow.
So we will cover daily habits, speaking improvement, grammar and writing, and finally, listening and pronunciation.
And make sure to stick around, because at the very end, we have a special bonus tip. It's the secret ingredient that makes all the other tips work.
So if you are listening to this on your commute, or maybe while washing dishes, or just sitting in your favorite chair, I want you to take a deep breath.
Just relax your shoulders.
Relax. Listen carefully. You can do this. We are going to build your fluency step by step.
Let's dive right into section 1. We are calling this daily habits.
This is where it all begins. Fluency isn't magic. It is a result of habit. It starts with the small things we do every single day.
Which brings us to tip number 1. Practice every day. Now, I know what you might be thinking. You're thinking, I'm busy, I have a job.
I have a family.
Exactly. But let's look at what the source material actually says about time.
It is very clear on this point. You do not need to study for hours and hours.
That's a huge relief.
It is. Sitting down for 4 hours once a week is actually less effective. The recommendation is very simple. 20 or 30 minutes is enough.
So it's a short time, but every day. That is the best way.
Precisely. Think of your brain like a muscle. If you exercise it a little bit every day, it stays active and strong.
But if you ignore it for 6 days...
Right, and then try to run a marathon on Sunday, you're just going to be exhausted. Small daily habits improve fluency faster than long, irregular study.
So you wake up, do your 20 minutes, and move on. Just like saying, I wake up at 7, I drink tea, I go to work.
Just make it part of your normal day.
Tip number 2 is a big mental shift. Think in English.
This is the golden rule. If you want to move from being a student to being a speaker, you have to do that. Stop translating from your native language.
So how do we actually do that?
Well, when you see an object, do not say the word in your language first. Don't find your word and then search for the English word.
You just skip that step entirely.
Yes, look at the object and name it in English directly.
Let's give a simple example.
Sure. Imagine you are sitting at a table. Do not think of the word in your native tongue. Look at the wood, look at the legs, and just think table.
Table. You want to wire the image directly to the English word.
Exactly. Translation is slow. Direct association is fast.
I love that. Tip number 3 might feel a little funny at first, but it is so important. Speak out loud alone.
This addresses the biggest barrier for learners, which is fear.
Fear of making mistakes.
Fear of looking silly in front of others. So the solution is to speak when no one is watching. It builds confidence.
It's kind of like singing in the shower. You aren't worried about the audience.
Right. Talk to yourself while you are cooking. Say, I am cutting the carrots. I am boiling the water.
Talk to yourself while cleaning.
Yes. It gets your mouth muscles used to moving in English, but without the pressure of judgment.
Okay, we promised this would be interactive. We're going to do our first interactive pause right now.
We really want you to try this. You can pause the audio if you need to, or just do it with us now.
Look around your room. Find 3 objects.
Say the names of those 3 objects in English. Do it now.
Wait a second. Just look around.
Point to something.
Say it out loud.
Okay. Did you do it?
Maybe you said lamp,
Yeah.
chair, window.
If you did, congratulations.
Why?
You just practiced thinking in English and speaking out loud.
It wasn't so scary, was it? Let's move to tip number 4, daily reading.
Now be careful here. The tip isn't to read a difficult novel. It is to read something small every day.
Why something small?
Because you want to understand it without getting a headache. Read articles, short stories, or simple books.
When you read, you see the structure of the language.
Exactly. See how sentences are built correctly.
And that pairs perfectly with tip number 5, daily listening.
Ideally, you should listen to English every day. Podcasts, interviews, the news.
Or a channel like this one.
Perfect example.
But what if I don't catch every single word? Is that okay?
It is absolutely okay. The goal is just to let English sounds enter your ears daily.
You are getting used to the rhythm.
Yes. Even if you only understand 50%, your brain is learning the melody
Tip number 6 is a classic piece of advice. Keep a vocabulary notebook.
Writing is very powerful. When you hear a new word, write it down.
With a real pen and paper.
Preferably, yes. The physical act of writing helps you remember. It connects your hand to your brain.
But just writing it down isn't enough, because tip number 7 is review old words.
This is where many people fail. They fill a whole notebook and never look at it again.
You have to actually open it.
You must look at your notebook again. Read the words you wrote last week. Remind your brain that they are important.
And tip number 8 is the best way to make those words stick. Use new words immediately.
Use it or lose it. When you learn a word, don't just memorize what it means. Use it in a sentence right away.
Let's try that together. This is interactive pause number 2.
Think of a new word you learned recently, maybe a word from today.
Now make a short sentence with that word out loud. Speak it.
Go ahead.
Just one simple sentence.
Awesome. By using the word, you have moved it into your long-term memory.
Tip number 9, set weekly goals.
Make small plans. Don't say, I will learn English. That is way too big.
It's too overwhelming.
Say something like, this week I will learn 20 new words. Or, this week I will listen to 3 podcasts.
Small goals are achievable. They make you feel good when you finish them.
Exactly. It keeps your motivation up.
And finally, for this first section, tip number 10, record your voice.
Use your phone. Everyone has a voice recorder now. Record yourself speaking English, then listen to it.
A lot of people hate doing this. Why is it so important?
Because you will hear your pronunciation clearly. When we speak, we think we sound one way.
But the recording tells the truth.
Yes. It helps you catch mistakes you didn't even know you were making.
So that is our first section. To summarize, small daily habits improve fluency faster than studying for a long time only once a week.
Just remember this simple example. I wake up at 7, I drink tea, I go to work. Make English a normal part of your day.
All right, let's move into section 2, speaking improvement.
This covers tips 11 through 20. And we have to acknowledge something. Speaking is often the hardest part.
It definitely feels like the scariest part.
It does, but it is also the most important part.
Tip number 11 is a technique called shadowing.
Shadowing is fantastic. You listen to a native speaker, maybe on a video, and you repeat exactly what they say immediately after them, like a shadow.
So you try to copy their speed.
Yes, their speed and their emotion. It helps you speak more naturally.
Tip number 12, join conversation groups.
Find other learners. Practice talking together.
Even if everyone is a beginner.
Yes. You don't always need a teacher. Sometimes just chatting with other learners helps you get comfortable using the words you know.
Tip number 13, practice mirror speaking.
Stand in front of a mirror. Watch your mouth move when you speak English.
Why does watching your mouth help?
Because English sounds require specific mouth shapes. If you can see your lips and tongue, you can control them better.
Let's do a quick visualization of this. Interactive pause number 3.
I want you to find a mirror later, or just imagine one right now.
Look at yourself, smile, and say, hello, I am learning English.
Go ahead and say it. Hello, I am learning English.
Did you smile?
Smiling actually changes the shape of your mouth. It makes your voice sound friendlier.
Tip number 14, learn daily phrases.
This means learning groups of words that go together, not just single words.
Give us an example of that.
Instead of learning how and are and you separately, learn the whole phrase. How are you?
Or a phrase like, I would like coffee.
Exactly. It makes speaking faster because your brain grabs the whole group of words at once.
Tip number 15, focus on fluency first.
This means do not worry about being perfect, just talk it.
If you stop to correct every single grammar mistake, you will lose the flow.
Right. And that leads directly to tip number 16. This is the most important rule for your mindset.
The rule is, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Our source material has a great quote for this. I want to say it clearly. Mistakes are not a problem. Silence is the real problem.
Silence is the real problem.
Mistakes mean you are learning. Silence means you are hiding.
Let's put that bravery to the test. Interactive pause number 4. This is a speaking challenge.
We want you to describe your room in English now. Speak for 15 seconds.
Don't worry about grammar, just speak.
Go.
Describe the colors.
Name the furniture.
Keep going, don't stop.
Just a few more seconds.
Okay, stop. How did that feel?
Even if it wasn't perfect, you spoke. That is fluency.
Tip number 17. Practice question-answer drills.
Ask yourself a question, then answer.
For example, what did I eat for breakfast? I eat toast.
It's a simple way to practice both sides of it.
Tip number 18. Describe your daily routine.
Talk through your day as it happens.
I am washing my face. I am putting on my shoes.
You become the narrator of your own life. Tip number 19, tell stories.
Tell a simple story from your past in English.
Like, yesterday I went to the park. I saw a dog.
Exactly. It forces you to practice speaking about the past.
And tip number 20, speak 2 minutes nonstop.
This builds your speaking stamina. Try to talk about one topic for 2 minutes without stopping.
That sounds tough.
It is a workout for your brain. It builds strength. Let's do one more pause for this section. Interactive pause number 5.
We want you to say 3 sentences about your day. What did you do? Speak out loud.
Just 3 sentences. Go.
We did simple.
First sentence, second sentence, third sentence.
Excellent. I worked. I ate lunch. I listened to a podcast. Simple is perfect.
Now, let's move to section 3, grammar and writing. These are tips 21 through 26.
Now, don't get scared of the word grammar. Grammar just helps us speak clearly so people understand us.
Tip number 21, learn one grammar rule at a time.
Do not study the whole grammar book at once. You will get so confused.
Focus on one thing.
Yes, maybe just focus on the present tense.
Tip number 22, make many sentences.
When you learn a rule, write 20 or 50 sentences using that rule.
Writing that many really helps it stick.
Repetition is key.
Tip number 23, do error correction exercises.
Find mistakes in sentences and fix them. It trains your brain to see what is correct.
Tip number 24, write a short paragraph every day.
Writing gives you time to think. When you write, your brain can find English words slowly and comfortably.
Tip number 25, read your writing aloud.
After you write, read it with your voice. You will hear if it sounds right or wrong.
Tip number 26, study verb tenses carefully.
Tenses are important because they tell us when something happened.
Can you give us the examples from the source material?
Of course. Listen to the difference. I eat. This means every day.
It's a habit.
Right. Then I ate. This means yesterday. It is finished.
And the third one.
I have eaten. This means I am finished now.
Let's practice that. Interactive pause number 6.
Say I eat and I ate. Repeat after me. I eat.
I eat.
I ate.
I eat.
Feel how the time changes just by changing the verb.
Section 4, listening and pronunciation. Tips 27 to 30.
Listening improves speaking. To speak well, you really must hear well.
Tip number 27, watch videos with subtitles.
First, watch with words on the screen so you understand.
And
Then turn the words off and just listen. Challenge your ears.
tip number 28, use dictionary audio.
If you don't know how a word sounds, use an online dictionary and click the little sound button.
Don't just guess from the spelling. English spelling can be tricky.
Very tricky. Always check the audio.
Tip number 29, practice stress and intonation.
English has music. Some parts of a word are strong and some are weak.
This can actually change the meaning of a word, right?
It absolutely can. Let me demonstrate clearly. Take the word spelled R-E-C-O-R-D.
Okay.
If I make the first part strong, R-E-cord, it is a noun. It's an object.
Like, I bought a new RE cord.
Right. But if I make the second part strong, record, it is a verb. It's an action.
Like, I will record my voice.
Exactly. Record versus record. Stress is very important.
Tip number 30, start with slow English.
Listen to slow content first, like this channel. Then move to normal speed later when you feel ready.
Let's do a quick pronunciation drill.
I will model clear pronunciation. I want you to repeat these key phrases twice.
We will leave time for you to speak.
Phrase 1. I am learning English.
Your turn.
Let's do it again. I am learning English.
Speak it out loud.
Phrase 2. I can slowly.
Your turn.
Again, I can phrase. I am improving every day.
Your turn.
One more time. I am improving.
Very good.
You are doing great.
We have made it to the end of the main list, but we have section 5, the bonus tip.
Yes. This is the most important rule, the secret to success.
So what is the secret?
Consistency is more important than intent.
Let's explain what that really means.
Learning English is like going to the gym.
Okay, I like this comparison.
If you go to the gym once a month for 5 hours, what happens? You just get tired.
You get sore and you don't want to go back.
Exactly. You do not get strong. But if you go every day for 20 minutes, you get strong.
So fluency works the same way.
It does. Practice a little every day.
Yeah.
Not a lot one day and nothing the next day.
We have one final interactive question for you.
Will you practice tomorrow?
Say yes out loud.
Go ahead, say it. If you said yes, you have already started building the habit.
Before we close, we want to give you a little motivation.
Everyone feels shy at first. It is completely normal.
Fluency comes with daily speaking.
And confidence grows with practice. You can do this.
We really hope you come back to the channel for more practice.
Introduce yourself in English in the comments below or to a friend today. Just use the language.
Keep practicing. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.